In today's video, we're going to be replacing the RX-7's shift boot and shifter. So these are new OEM parts and it's going to really make the RX-7 pop, and it is the center of the interior, which is also, in my opinion, the centerpiece. So it's going to look really good. We're going to show you guys how to do it. So let's get started. Okay, we're going to start off by removing the shift knob, and what you do is just turn it counterclockwise. And the OEM shift knob is pretty heavy, and I like it because it is weighted. That's really neat. You don't see that often with car manufacturers. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and remove our ashtray. I'm gonna pull back and just pull up. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and pry this panel up. There you go. And then there's going to be some wires here, so we don't want to pull up too much. And we're going to go ahead and just take these off. This is a little bulb right here. Turn counterclockwise and it'll pull out. And then these little cables right here, the yellow one, we're going to push it, depress, and pull. And at that point in time, we have it out. Let's go ahead and switch it out. And real quickly, let's look at the difference. This one it just looks a little worn, thinner, and this looks nice and new. This has a little bit of creases, but that's fine. That's how leather is. And what we're gonna do is before we flip this over, we're gonna lay down a towel, and then we're gonna flip it over. And if you look right here, we have some screws, and you just wanna make sure that you have the right Phillips for it. So that looks like that's working. And what I like to do here, I think, yeah, that's fine. What I like to do is I like to keep my screws matched with the hole because it could have a difference. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna place the screws and put them where we know where they came from. So this is the left one. We'll go over here. Right one. Over there. Left one. And then we're going to go ahead and remove this. And now we're going to place our new one. I think that goes like right then. All right, and now reverse order. I'm going to start them with my finger. And now I'm going to go ahead and tighten them down with the screwdriver. This might seem simple to do, but you do not want to over tighten because these are little pieces of plastic, and you just want to tighten down until they make contact, and then that's it. And that's all. And look at that, we got somebody's signature there. I don't know who that is, but we got an autograph. All right, let's flip it over. And I think that looks great. And we're now going to connect everything in reverse order. And you always want to hear a click. No click means no good. I heard the click. And in this last light bulb here, try not to touch the light bulb. But you stick it in there and you turn it right and then pull and make sure that it's not going to be loose. And then we just want to make sure we line everything up correctly. And then we're going to push down. If you feel any resistance, make sure that you check before you don't want to pinch a wire or something like that. And then we're going to put this back in here, and then we're going to go ahead and put our weighted shift knob back down. Sometimes you could go and, there we go. I'm gonna stop right here at this rotation because it feels good. Boom. And there we go, guys. Now we have our new shift boot with our new shift knob, and it looks excellent. And that's it, guys. Let me tell you, it looks really good. Remember, it's the small things that make a big impact when it comes to the car's interior, exterior, or just simply the car. All right, guys, thanks for watching. You take care, and we'll talk to you soon.